After we mountain for that side, so from Konsamba, where they call them say Mount Lonako, Itroe water, sabi say big people them for that side for Konsamba. Them say they don't go look the mountain, even chief them say they be there. We go talk that palaver for this afternoon. Now so to go take una go for ya in the way just now. Pap when a popular action party says he don't get new head boy. After we did so, big lawyer man, barrister, big lawyer man, na Ayapola Binese. He left chair just now. Now Oga Ndang Dennis, he don't be the new head boy for that party, and Sabi say just now they talk say they go so continue for work as we dey so per I am 11 and they don't talk. Chapter for vote inside country, they no fit enter for vote to country. It is on kind of style. Tori two for this afternoon, we go take una talk this palava moto where he carry chop. It be the enter na for peeing for that side for Norwest where they put fire on top. All chop there they be there inside the moto. The bonam for now we never fit for talk whether na moto where carry na which people them chop, but only two of it talk for this side. Now say the moto they put fire for that side for peeing. Now for inside Norwest, story 2, we go talk chapter for Ndamba, Sabi say man Ndamba team. They don't also continue for make them prepare as well they get for meet up Guinea-Bissau for their first Ndamba way go happen for that side for Ismailia, now for Egypt. For Tuesday, all this story them so plus newspaper them where they did for we before we go try for look wait where they don't talk for we. This afternoon, big part talk, it tell we, you know if it's ever hide your secrets when you make combi with person way, him up, you know this she don't quiet. I say your secret, you know if it ever hide, if you make combi with person way, him up, it talk plenty. Now Sango Tikumusu Kasa Achale, where the she don't for that side for Synod office, Boya, nice and we big part talk for this afternoon. Country people them, man no run, I return back small time. Good afternoon. We glad say we don't meet up again for this side for Equinox at Tori House. Now for chapter 2 for Tori for this side. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now with this palaver for mountain. They call them now Mount Lonako. Now for inside Konsamba. For Mongo division, where they so the mountain, it be surprise people them. That whole way the sea also for middle mountain. Now for they way water with poto. It come out on top that mountain. For Sika plenty rain way fall. That water will come on top that mountain. It come down direct. Now for on top people them cargo them. Sabi say the cargo them say where this mountain it bring them down. Now poto plus the water way chakara plenty people them farm. Even side where the sheep go they be the chop. They no be get for chop again. As well that mountain way water way come out for they con people them. He come out all people they are cargo them for game. Even palm tree them all kind of thing them. Country people they are so na sabi this mountain it throw away all thing for ground. Now so two people them for that side so for inside Konsamba they check on top this palava check their head so they then say the surprise. Now for morning time where them wake up so before they can see this kind of thing way they pass for that side so even corn where mountain people they don't plant them for land water will come up for mountain it chakara all thing so people them so for that side for Lonako them say they be the beg. Now say men governor it try for can look inside this palaver for help them. Now the first time when that kind of thing they happen after we will show this palaver sabi say chief and even Oga mayor for that side so from Konsamba they don't kunkuma go back for the place where that water way come on top mountain. It cause confusion even if you see I'm say so now that water rain it never so finish or throw away as we farm them and even people them chop it throw away all these stone then so now stone the way that water it push them from on top mountain so they it bring them for down so all the one then so now we make them chief them and even big man na mayor say that from Konsamba where all them they go down for go try for use their own crow eye for see the kind of thing and for see as well they go help these people them sabi say they put the way they suffer plenty you get one the way they be the tap their pami where it is so water it wipe out into am and even people them farm with the water it chakara that chop the way they don't plant and so chief them and even mayor for that side so from Konsamba they be there for try for look and for see which way they go do. Our man Cyril Jembabi put microphone for some pie up for inside that village where they call and say Lonako. Make we hear what will happen for that mountain.
Wonderful, don't come up for we. Maybe for net for Saturday, go to Sunday. We hear how something the hala. We don't know, say, don't do plenty bad. So they clean for Sunday. First man where we come, one time, remember, maybe reach for ya. You look two way, don't happen before you call away. We come, we reach for ya, we look, say, Mondonako, you don't block for two play. Baby stone like a house, it became commode, became chakra, mbanga, what a baby stone. You move baroba for his ground like a man, take that so more city. The chakra, we own farm, all barrier farm, so the farm there like a good. We don't know play where we go. We will plant a farm for new food, we will begin farm at zero for plant anything because you look all the farm for you something no day. If you will not try to go for start up there, we know nothing way don't happen. Because from there where they will begin them now for ABC, something no day again for growth. With the prayer for government from God, say make a hell away. Because more no day, all the people know will begin job again. So the reception come because you will begin plant all things and nouveau.
Yes, now one of the pardon we this water we come off on top Mount Lonako, it making them strong for them after we water Chakara or their land them. Just now we go talk Palava Kombi, Nigeria and Cameroon, country people them, according to Toriwe enter we here on Adisiam. Small time, Nigeria, it go make Binet and tourism plus Palava for waiting, culture, the one na new thing we this our people them for inside Nigeria. With the head boy for Douala Yena Consul General Safiu Olaniyan, he be call meet up with the Tory people them, with Tory people them say they should do with he for try for talk what we mean by say Nigeria, Cameroon, Binet, tourism and even culture week. Sabi say the one na thing we this now for see as we all the two town them or the two country them, they fit join themselves for making them happen inside them different Tory according to what the Consul General for Nigeria for inside Douala, he talk and for we and Sabi say this one now the number 2 own we he get for pass for inside Douala here. We talk small for politics. Sabi say party for Ayapol. Now he find the party. Now he be make the party name. Just now he don't get a new head boy. Now he be that. Dennis Njang. Now it says he don't be now the new head boy for a Popular Action Party or People's Action Party. As soon as Sabiam. Na party we this on a pa Aya says be make after we come up for CPDM. But Sabi say even as way they don't get new head boy. The name for the party na so part so continue. Even as we know they like head boy one time when party people they say they get palava, they get problem, they go so go meet up Aya for access and make it give them some more advice. But Sabi say Oga Dennis we don't chop changes now like new head boy for PAP. He don't promise say side we pa Aya any work. Now just for days say go continue and this palava for Norway and Southwest them no go so continue. They go so continue for talk and they don't talk this palava so they must to see all two they get for pass so they don't talk say me they come out all people there they don't lock them from Gata 2 plus other thing way they join for talk inside this palava. Make we hear just now wait way Oga Dennis Njang he get for talk for we palava wait way he go do as well they don't put he head boy for PAP.
I think the former outgoing president, Justice Ayapod, already created a roadmap on the party where I will just follow that roadmap. Our stand on always be the same. Our stand on will always fight for justice for the country. We would always stand for an equitable opportunity for everybody, and our stand on always be for a true democracy for rule for reign for this country. So Justice Aya, we will already be the former president. I think everything we would get for just do we get for follow the roadmap. I think, and then since we already get the good foundation, we have a mastery of some of the aspects of the party and the problem where they face the country. As of now, I think we'll go further than maybe where EBN.
Now we want to ask Oga Njang when the new head boy. Come be with the other political party them and how we go make for this palava where this also happen for Norwest and Southwest. Wait till you get for talk for we on top the chapter.
Our declaration today, you see, say PAP Day in strong collaboration with many other political parties like the CRM, the CPP, the AFP, and many other political parties and civil society groups. I think as far as collaboration be, PAP no get problem with that one. I think we don't always collaborate with people where they be ready for collaborate with us. And when you talk about opposition, you together for us, now kind of opposition, they will make get many government CPDN sponsored opposition. So if you want to talk about opposition, we talk about genuine opposition. And I don't just name you the opposition the way PAP team and say that the genuine one the way we fit collaborate and we collaborate very well with them.
So Sabi say one of the things the way they talk inside that thing, na palava say me the left, Professor Maurice Kamto and all other people there, they don't catch them, and even say men Nkunkuma, he take by force pension. Sabi say Nkunkuma and the woman, they outside country just now, they enjoy small co-em. They come out for country this weekend where we just finish and we'll start new week. We go left that palava, we take una enter for that side too for Kumba, where Honorable Seseb, he be there for inside Kumba City Council. Now the lookout Konye and Bonge Council, Honorable, you know, before work reach for that side for Konye and Bonge, so he gather all the people them where they don't run for Sika this palava for popcorn where they holla for that side, where they dey for inside Kumba, for try for C2 as we go help them with small oil, small rice, and even small thing where they go take look at themselves. So Honorable Sese, when I dey look out these people them for that side for Bonge and Konye Council, he gather all the people them now for inside Kumba City Council, now for that side, so we try forgive them small thing for help them, and he don't beg, say make them to they continue for beg the one way they did for bush, may they come out and make peace a day. As way all man, if he turn back again for a village, he continue for do work we get for work. Make we hear what we Honorable Seseb, he talk for Ogalai.
Me, I don't come for see my people, for tell them, say me I deal with them. And I feel bad for what way it happened for my constituency. When I also be say this my constituency, it been one of the biggest constituencies for inside Cameroon. It be comprised of two big subdivisions, Mbonge and Konye. And so I don't can tell them say without peace, things are not be working. Look, road don't miss them. The road they get to come out for Kumba, you go for Kondo. If the peace be there, we forget road today. And I beg them, my brothers and my sisters, say if Palava so more we use another means for solver. More not the kill ourselves, more not the fight. Say we need peace. So my message that I bring them to my people today, and for being in solidarity with them when they cry, say the soap for wash clothes in no day. That's where it bring me for a year. And for saying me I not deny them, I be part of them. I mean this for Kumba when I'm at headquarters of my division, and I'm glad plenty say as they be here say they are picking the camp, all them they come out for side where they did. Where it just say they still get confidence in me.
And just so Sabi say even as we come with something for them, the population too will become out one them for Bonge and Konye. They be glad for dance and for do other thing that were honorable. Make we see her. Yes, now the thing that will happen for that side for Kumba, so the Honorable Sesewe the lookout, Bonge and Konye Council, he go for go help. Sabi say if that one you work fine with this amateur image, we enter for that side for peeing, for talk say this will chop where they begin for go giam, for people them for peeing inside this motor now they see am so whether now they put fire from top, we never feel for talk, but now they chop then that way they burn out in tree and for ground, and so now we never fit for confirm who they be take the chop and now from whose side they come out. Sabi say since so this palava for Northwest and Southwest it starts, plenty people they do they don't agree help, even one day they don't get their own, they struggle for help. The motor it be carrying a chop where be the enter for Pin na village where it dey so for inside place where they call them say Northwest where they be carry chop for go for them, but they meet up the motor burn the motor, all chop where be there for inside that motor it burn all. No ask me if they be fit for left driver for come out for outside, or they no be left driver, that one will never fit for talk. But sabi say after wey they burn motor, some of the chop the way they no be don't burn, some of the chop them now then that way they see am so wey they throw away plenty where people then say they be the struggle for pass so they for take and so the one it happen na for that side for peeing where would hear the burn chop where it be the go help people them for peeing where they suffer for sake of this palaver for northwest and southwest. Now sabi say as well this palaver this also continue for happen. People them too for church, they don't also put their need them for ground, for beg, say make things then change. Now for sika why that way all church them, all council them for church, whether now we Muslim brother them or na Christian, all them they should not for inside one church house, Presbyterian church for Boya Station, now for the way they join, for see as well they get for pray, for say make peace it come. Right, Reverend Funky Samuel, head boy for Presbyterian church, now he says he be there with other big people them, will be get imam them for Muslim, for we Muslim side we all they be there. We get even other pastor them, Reverend Father, the way they become for come prayer for say make peace he enter. Even as we plenty them of them, they no become. Sabi say them too they don't talk. Say make peace he last turn back for inside country and they is also continue for prayer. Say make people there they make and say make popcorn is also continue for halam. Make they stop. And make governor too he try for Shidon and for here wait till then they talk for say make peace he come back for country. With that story, we go open chapter for Ndamba just now. Sabi say we man Ndamba team, them sesep the day outside. Chupumo team, in a be the head boy, as we other player them, they be come out for inside them hotel. Sabi say few way the man Ndamba they make their prepare. He just then opposite the hotel where man Ndamba sesep Edishidon for that side for Ishmaelia for Egypt. Sabi say the player them, it be then now their number 3 time. Also where they be make their training since we the land. Clarence Sidov, Patrick Kluivert, now them to them that way them to they follow for back player them as when they enter one time when they player they reach one toffee it be day to na time for them to for change their shoes. If they be fair wear na canvas they be get for change for wear even boots so that they go match fine on top ground where they so they day for that side. So all man it be the prepare for change as well some player they change. Basogok it be the try for walk now on top of foot. Idris Carlos Kameni it be the prayer as well other one they also continue for see as well they come on now so two coach and two they be the try for preparing them where they go do their training. Palava prayer too, it be pass more. Then training session be start. Na sumo eshov. We man Ndamba they do am. Na so too as we player they do am for one side. A goalkeeper then too. They be do their own with Alium Bukawe. They look at the goalkeeper people them. Na so too the player then continue for train. As so they train. Sabi say Clarence Sidov. As we player they make their clear stretch. Clarence Sidov too. It be the struggle for sure. We say he be don't nang Ndamba too. As we see am. He the tap his own Ndamba for one side. As we player them too. They do their own small tapping for inside the field. So Sabi say they go nang Ndamba. Now it's Guinea Conakry, it go be now for Tuesday. Make we see the small suite where they for inside camp for Mandamba. This time, no be na man where they call him so Yongo Bitolo, but na Alain Boumson. Yes, now so the glad it dey for inside the camp for Mandamba. Sabi say Clarence Sidov don't talk. Till it happen for country, palava money, it don't pass or back. So just now they check now how way they go knock Guinea-Bissau or now they see them two way they train. Sabi say Guinea-Bissau, one name way people them for country they member and plenty so they make people then dream bad dream. Now that boy where they call it say Piketty where he show Cameroon say even as we Guinea-Bissau he no day for no place. Them too they sabi for Nang Damba. Sabi say for Gabon 2017 that young boy where they call him say a Piketty he show Cameroon then defense say if they no look out they fit get plenty of that kind of go them where he score for Gabon. So Guinea-Bissau all man they put eye now for Piketty bet Sabi say no now only Piketty one in the Nag den Damba them too they prepare for see as where they go vex on top the Nakiwe man that be knock them for Gabon for 2017. Now, so we see country for this halftime. Newspaper then get their own chapter for talk for we. Make we enter for inside story for newspaper where it happen. Country people them for the Star newspaper where it day outside this morning time. Country people them inside the Star newspaper waiting there for inside the Star newspaper. Or we will try for read inside the Star newspaper. They tell we as a prime minister he don't put commission say me they look inside this palaver for fire where he catch us on a ram. 5 head boy them for inside Sonara, according to the Star, they don't catch him. Now, so do the Star tell we, former head boy, he there for inside court, for Sika say, they talk say, he thief 100 billion. Now, so to the Star talk for we, as we Molinge Kinge Thompson, he don't be the new Secretary General for that side, so for Limbe City Council, Minister for Communication, on Governor Togman, he don't talk, say make Tory people them, they try for help, say make country, he go now only for before, no be now say make they make thing them some kind of way. The Star newspaper way they outside this sometime too, it get plenty other to read them, where when you buy them, you go fit for read them. We enter for inside the Sun newspaper too, where it day outside, can the people them, inside the Sun newspaper where they outside this sometime, waiting there for them. Honorable Jean-Michel Nichem, he don't vex, he say no like the vote for Douala one deputy mayor where they make him, Sabi say the one, now after we one of the SSF, he be goes 6 feet, so Honorable Jean-Michel Nichem, he vex on top that palava for Ina Pacha, the son, he no fit forget, as so they talk, palava for Sonaram, 5 head boy them, they don't catch them just now, today Monday, where they go Sabi, whether they go so continue for remain, for inside Gata or not. The Sun newspaper too, he tell with this palava Nigeria, Cameroon, Trade, Tourism and Cultural Forum where it go open some more time. Plus, Palava to say they so new people the way they put them like head boy for Sowedan, they get plenty work them for do, and even Paramount Chief for that side so for Limbe, he don't talk Asia for he combi them. Now, so too for the Post newspaper where they outside, they talk for we Sonara after we fire he come. Palava investigate. Southwest Attorney General SSF, he don't give Sote another 48 hours. Say the 5 former head boy them for Sonara, they put them for inside Gata. Now, so to the Post, he talk for we 11.6 billion. Now, money that way they go use them for help. Sote 650,000 picking them where they hear back for that side, so for Northwest and Southwest. Now, so too if you read chapter for UDP, National Chairman, we don't talk, say IDP them, they no go take help way come out from Atanganji. Other to read them, you fit for read them inside the Post newspaper where it day outside. Now, so too if you read Palava for Sonara, the guy jump post it talk for with this and time, say head them, they don't already start for 4, after we fire, he enter for Sonara. Just now, 5 big former head people them, they don't already put them hand. No ask me whether they get something for inside the Palava. Honorable Etoke Freaks, he used day for a bond day for talk, say he want peace for inside we country. Now one of the top Tory that where the guidance to oppose to he carry him as we Honorable Etoke Freaks, he use the bond day for talk say one peace. You feel read Tory too, Palava and Kunkuma and the chap where they don't come up for outside country, they say they want go rest more for outside we country. Tuba Mayor Sesep, they talk for we as we don't go help IDP them. We enter for inside another newspaper just now, Eden newspaper, where it day outside country people them. Inside Eden newspaper, they tell we as we head them, they don't already start for 4, as we fire for Sonara and investigate, it don't already start. They tell we so take 5 former big people them, they don't put them from Gata for on top that fire. Ngomna Togman too, he don't beg say me Tory people them, they try for do their work better, say me they know the instant make and say make thing them, they go some kind of style. You feel Tory to a consign this palava for key where Paramount Chief a giam for Ni John Frundi, Paramount Chief says for Limbe. They say he don't already talk say Asia for a combi them after we they so they be do over talk on top this palava. Religious head boy them two they don't talk. Say me this palava for Northwest and Southwest. Make it last finish. This one now as we they meet up for big prayer for inside Boya. We go enter just now for inside the Horizon newspaper too where it day outside. Inside the Horizon newspaper they tell we Sonara Palava head they go throw away, head they must fall according to way it dey so Horizon the talk, head they go fall. Now so to if you read as we Governor Sese for Northwest, it be day present for side where they be the talk Asia for that military uniform people them where they be sleep straight for Sika attack for Boko Haram for Darak. You feel read Tory too where it concern UDP chairman where it don't send strong Tory for A to D. Waiting be the message where UDP chairman is send up for A to D. tori, you fit buy the Horizon for Sabiam. If you read other tori too, where it concern Emmanuel Rene Sadi, Ngomna Tokman, where SSB don't talk say na private tori people them, that they help for make things they no work straight inside we country. All this story them, the Horizon, it get them. Make we enter for Logidion, where it dey outside this time. Inside Logidion, they tell we Cameroon just now, it don't be in a place where blood and even two different villages, they fit start for fight. According to Nijon Frunti, where the Logidion, he go meet up and for talk with them. Palava for Norwest and Southwest, they try for tell we, as with some of that people them, where they run come out, they hear bad. If you read that story, inside Logidion, 5 former Sonara head boy them too, they say they don't catch them for question them. As we fire investigate, where it happen for Sonara, it don't also continue for happen. Other story them, you feel read for Logidion where they for outside Amos, make we try for read where they for Midian, the Midian newspaper where they outside too for this afternoon. Inside the media newspaper, they try for tech for we public and people cooperation. It means say combi between country and other people them. They tell we as in Kunkuma just now. It don't cut salary for director general them and even board chair them. It means say one day they go be on top. They head boy them for company. So for inside that palabam, they tell we as we Honorable Ainda Martin SSF. He go talk Asia for people them from Bonge and Konye where they for inside Kumba. Now so today they talk for we this palava for me and Gomna Togman. They say people there they get Tori house them make all themselves they try for check themselves after we they so pa Emmanuel Rene Sadi he try for talk say they want to make Tori people them they help for say make a country they go now for before other Tori them you fit for read them particularly Tori we consign pa Frundi on top this palava key where they give time where he go for that side so for Limbe. Now they told them that for this afternoon country people them, we go turn back when in 8 o'clock or team being equal for some time. We want to say big thank you for you, Amos Afongo. Thank you too for that side, Malis and even Ledu where it did for one end. Country people them, my time you don't finish if all waka fine. Now for some time, we go surely meet up for special African Mandamba for evening time. On a whole I'm tight for outside.